Now I am. Hey guys, this is Nerf here.
Filming with the GoPro.
Yep. You guys got your fair share. Now we're gonna do our fair share. You know, like, you know what I mean. You know what I mean, right, Luke? Like, we did the tripod. I won. We're gonna see what we're gonna do with the GoPro. I'm gonna be using the head strap because I prefer that more than the chest strap. I'll use the chest strap whenever I want to do like barrel rolls or something. But this is not the day for it. So, also we're using Busby guns and airstone guns only. Mostly the ones that require shells. He has the Olympia, or actually the double shot is what is preferred, but most people refer it as the Olympia from Black Ops.
I love that gun. Yeah.
And I am using a bolt action airzone gun, which is this. I think this is a airzone Hawk, which is sort of like the Busby Hawk.
Is it right that I'm loading my gun?
Huh?
Is it right that I load my gun?
Yeah, that's fine. So there's only been 1 minute, and the war will commence soon. We're gonna do hits. How many hits should we do?
15, since we did 20 last time.
All right, 15 it is. 15 hits. Whoever gets the 15 hits more, or whoever gets the 15 hits will lose. The other person will win, no matter how many hits they have. If it comes to a draw, both people win. But that will hardly happen. So, yeah. So, see you guys in a couple of minutes.
Okay, so here's your 12.
Oops.
Here's my 12.
Alright, hopefully this part works out pretty well.
We had an interruption last time.
We had an interruption last night, or last time. We're going to restock on bullets. And he's fully reloaded. Even though he took some bullets from No Man's Land, it doesn't really matter. So, alright, so let me put this on. Grab my bullets.
With the actual GoPro and the head strap, it should probably be a lot less shaky and a little more visible, right?
Yeah, probably. Okay. That's the last, almost the last one. I need one more dart. I guess I'll take this one. Okay. Hopefully this time no interruptions. Oh, my gun's over here.
And there's an interruption.
What? What do you say?
I said there's an interruption.
What do you mean an interruption?
Now if I like crawl on the ground, since I'm keeping it. Do you think I could fit the shells up here and just off?
You could try. Need to. Hey, is there a red light flashing?
Yeah.
Alright, good. It's recording. Okay, ready? Almost?
Hang on, I just want to see if I'll put the shells up here.
Alright, we'll edit this part out. Alright, ready? Restart of Nerf War, or Busby War. 3, 2, 1, go! Hit! Hit. God, come on. Oh, that was so close. No, not even one. Well, except that one. Hit. 3 hits. No, 2 hits. No. I know. So it's 2 hits. No, 3 hits. Yeah. Oh. 4 hits. I jumped a little on that one, so Woohoo! Hit. 5. 5. I'm going to 15. Gonna catch up. I thought that would work. There we go. Good. What are you, snake? It won't raise me. Well, I almost touched my foot, but close. Gosh. About 5. Get in there. Okay, good. Two. Whoa! Hit, hit. That's 8. No, 7. Miss. Both. Yeah. Wow. 2. Reload one. Hit. Hit. Cooking, bye. Is that one supposed to come out? Yeah? Come on. Alright. Not even a single hit. We're at 5-2-3, right? 5-2. No, 7-2. Ow, hit. That chose a really bad weapon. Bless you. Oh, double hit. 10-2. I just wanted to do that once. There goes the other one. Right over the boundary. Okay. Oh, you got shells in that pocket. Use it. What? Yeah. Get it. There we go.
Oh, headshot. I'm at 3. Oh, that was a nice shot. That was a nice shot.
How about we make things go a little faster? That headshots count as 2, perhaps.
Alright, so I'm at 4 now. And I'm both going to no man's land.
Oh!
Reload. That's why I never take a double barrel into a real combat situation.
Whoa! Oh, that would so perfect to hit you. Come on, give me a shell.
Holy crap.
Ah! Oh! No, just one hit. What is it? Come on. Work. Hit.
What are you at now?
12. 12-4. Oh, with a shell landing on my foot.
One more hit and get out of here.
Come on, you stupid shell. Give me luck. Last shell. Do or don't. Oh, so, whoa!
No man's land. 3, 4.
Now, don't shoot anything. Is the red light still on?
Yeah.
Alright, good. I just need to check every once in a while. Or just remember it. Whoa!
Speed reload.
Oh, crap! Give me that shell!
Oh crap.
Oh!
Holy crap.
Come up with your hands up.
Nope.
You're not making this easy, are you?
Nope. Holy crap, that flew past my head.
Last shell. Make it count. One. Can't hit a moving target. And you got me. Game over. Alright, so we had some interference with parents, and I had to go say goodbye to one of my friends. Luke won. I think I chose a...
That's, what, 5-2 now? No, 4-2.
Total score, you mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, 5.
I have 5? Oh, yeah, that's right.
Because of the draw.
Oh, yeah, yep. 5.
5-2. So I have 2, you have 5.
So basically, wins and losses, you are 2 and 5, I'm 5 and 2.
Yep. So,
This
that's...
video is probably going to be like almost a half hour long.
Actually, it's going to be 20 minutes.
It's only 20 minutes?
That was only 20 minutes.
Plus the parts that we cut out, right?
Well, yeah. Minus the parts we cut out.
Yeah.
It's going to be even less. But, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is with the GoPro I have right here. Give you some proof. You know, the proof I showed in the last video was...
Put it a little closer to the mirror.
Okay. There's the mirror, GoPro,
HD Hero 2.
AC Hero 2. And I'm
And
trying...
here, look, final shot, goodbye. Peace out, people.